Welcome to Alfonso Cajero Explainer videos. Chapter 18 COUNTIFS, Function in Excel. The COUNTIFS function in Excel is a crucial tool for corporate finance professionals who need to analyze data based on multiple criteria. This function counts the number of cells that meet multiple conditions across one or more ranges, allowing for sophisticated data analysis and reporting. For example, if you want to determine how many transactions fall within a specific date range and exceed a certain dollar amount, COUNTIFS can handle this efficiently. To use COUNTIFS, you need to specify the criteria ranges and the corresponding conditions. Each criteria range is checked against its condition, and only cells that meet all conditions are counted. For instance, if you have a dataset with transaction amounts and dates, you can use COUNTIFS to count transactions that are both above a specified amount and within a particular time frame. This function is invaluable for generating detailed reports, tracking performance metrics, and performing in-depth financial analysis. It helps you to quickly filter and count data based on multiple conditions, which is essential for producing accurate financial summaries and making data-driven decisions. By leveraging COUNTIFS, you can streamline your data analysis processes and ensure that your financial reports are both precise and comprehensive.